This presentation will walk you through the Rising 8th Grade Connection selection process for the 2026-2027 school year, including some important updates and key dates. There's one major change for next year. All Connections courses will now be semester long. That means each course lasts one semester. However, not all courses are the same. Some courses count for middle school only credit, and some courses count for high school credit. So be sure to pay attention to this while exploring your options. What does high school credit mean? In Georgia, students must earn 23 total credits to graduate high school. Taking high school credit courses in middle school can help students get ahead, open up their schedule in high school, and allow for more flexibility in future course choices. It's important to note that these grades count towards your GPA. They do not count towards Hope Scholarship eligibility, so students may have the option to accept or decline the credit. Here are some important dates and timelines and what our process will look like. On May 4th, students will begin exploring Connections courses in Compass. May 4th to the 10th, students will bring home their top 4 choices form. You're going to review these options with your parents or guardians, complete and sign the form together, and both you and your parent are going to be required to sign off. This form is due to your Compass teacher by May 11th. On May 12th, students will use their completed form to digitally select their top 4 choices in Compass. As a reminder, selections are not guaranteed, but we make every effort to ensure each student receives at least one of their top choices. So what will student schedules look like? In 8th grade, Connections classes take place during 6th and 7th period. Since all courses are semester long, there's going to be a variety of ways that students can have their courses. So they can have up to 4 different Connections classes throughout the year. They might have 2 year long. They might have 1 year long and 2 semesters. It just depends on the schedule. So schedules are built on course availability and then also using this selection form. Now let's take a look at the Connections courses available for the 2026-2027 school year. As a reminder, all courses are semester long. Some are in high school credit and some are middle school only. High school credit courses. These courses will count toward your high school graduation credits. The options are AV Tech and Film, Software and Technology, Yearbook and Writer's Workshop, Band, Chorus or Orchestra, American Government and Civics, Personal Fitness, Food, Nutrition and Wellness, and Visual Composition. Our middle school courses are Physical Education, Family and Consumer Science, Visual Arts, AV Tech, Healthcare Science, Library Research Skills, and Connections World Language classes. These courses are still great options, but remember they do not count towards high school credit. When selecting your top 4 choices, think about what are you interested in? Do you want to try something new, or do you want to continue something you already enjoy? Are you interested in earning high school credit early? There's no right answer. Just choose what fits you best. Even though you will rank your top 4 choices, it's an important reminder that your selections are not guaranteed. We do our very best to make sure every student gets at least one of their top choices. But again, this is not a guarantee.
So what are the next steps? You're going to take some time to explore our 8th grade Connections courses. Each teacher has made a video that describes their course and also who would be the best fit for their course. You can find all of these videos at bit.ly/web8thconnections. When you visit the website, you're going to see a list of all of our Connections choices. When you click on an option, a video from that Connections course is going to play. Go through all the ones that you are interested in. It'd be a great idea to do this with your parents.
If you have any questions about this process or a course, don't hesitate to reach out to us at bit.ly/8thconnectionsquestions.